Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to save a video either in high definition or standard definition that you own via Facebook Creator Studio using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Facebook, as well as a like page and some videos that we have uploaded to Facebook Creator Studio. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Facebook Creator Studio. Wait for that to load and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to content. Wait for that to load. Now within content, we should have videos uploaded to our account. Let's just go to the first video on top. We don't have to click into this video. We can just click on the option button that then brings up a variety of options. Let's scroll to download SD and HD. Let's click on download SD. So this is standard definition. This will allow us to then save to the desktop. Let's now change the name of the video to SD video. Click on save, and that's now open up on screen in standard definition. Let's now minimize that video for the moment. Go back to Meta Business Suite. Go back to options and now click on download HD. Same thing, brings up the option to change the name of the video and save that to the desktop. Let's now say HD video. Let's now click on save, and that will open up on screen, and then we can see the video quality is far better than the standard definition that we had previously on screen. If I now were to, let's just say, do a side-by-side comparison, and there we go. We can see the quality on the left-hand side is far better than that of the video on the right-hand side. Video resolution, video quality, everything plays its own part. So we can now Command Q to quit those two videos. Let's now quit Safari. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.